Feeling like trust is shattered after a breakup? It's tough, but not impossible to rebuild. Here are 5 proven strategies to regain trust and possibly reignite your relationship. First, be transparent. Honesty is crucial. Share your thoughts and feelings openly. Consistency in your words and actions can gradually restore faith. Second, apologize sincerely. A heartfelt and genuine apology can make a significant difference. Acknowledge your mistakes without making excuses. Third, show accountability. Take responsibility for your actions and demonstrate that you're committed to change. This accountability reassures your ex that you are serious about rebuilding trust. Fourth, give it time. Trust isn't rebuilt overnight. Be patient and allow your ex to process their feelings. Rushing the process can backfire. Lastly, make positive changes. Show through your actions that you've grown since the breakup. Self-improvement can be a powerful tool in convincing your ex that you're serious about making things work. Remember, rebuilding trust requires effort and dedication. But with these strategies, you can lay a strong foundation for a renewed relationship.